A beautiful relationship begins with three important key pillars: trust, honesty, integrity, and loyalty. Three things that has to be there in any relationship that you build between two or more than two individuals. And that three pillars should always be retained throughout the relationship. If you commit, you should be respectful to the three important pillars, or you should. Number one is trust. Trust is very important. Number two is honesty. Honesty is very important in a relationship. Third is respect. So three things that you will have to remember. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine and perfect. Let's begin up our today's discussion on friendship. How to maintain friendship and how our friendship can grow, can survive, can remain for a longer period of time. And in order for us to do those two things of making new friends and retaining our friendship and making this good community circle of friends, positive vibes around us, we have to follow three principal things that I told you at the beginning of the video, which is trust, respect, and honesty. See, for any unknown person or for any individual whom you want to befriend with them, or you want to be a friend of them, or you want them to be your friend, first and foremost thing is that person has to be comfortable with you. That person has to understand your point of view. That person has to have that faith that yes, this can be the person who can safeguard me as a friend, whom I can share with him without having to lose anything. And the important thing is this one person can be my secret friend or can be a friend of mine who can help me in getting all these things done. And always remember, when you befriend with somebody or when you make some new friends, first and foremost thing is you cannot go and you cannot approach somebody, hey, can we be friends? I mean, in some cases that will work. The other person will say, yeah, sure, why not? And that is the stepping stone, because first what happens is there are two ways of making a new friend. Let's understand that. First thing, you go and talk to a person and say, hey, can I be your friend? And that person say, okay, let's be friends. And from there what happened, you start understanding each other, you start drawing the line, respecting the other persons, you are honest to the other person, and you have a trust factor on him or her, and she is also having the factor on you. So it's a vice versa relationship. The second kind of friendship relationship, or the second kind of relationship begins with, you try to talk with a person. It may be your classmate, it may be your schoolmate, it may be your colleague, it may be anybody. You start talking them, and over the period of time you start interacting and through chat or through call or through any message or anything. And what that makes is, that makes two important things. Is like you understand, okay, that person is comfortable enough because you exchange informations with each other. You tell about yourself, he or she tells about himself. So in that way what happened, it will be very clear for them to understand you and for you to understand them. And then what happen, all of us, and once a while you will ask, can I be your friend? I mean, in a very polite way. And they say, I think we are already friends, don't we? You say, absolutely, we are there. And that seals the thing that you both are friends, because it has been approved from the other person's side. Now what happened? Now the same three things comes is trust, respect and honesty. Now you have to be honest with your friend, and your friend has to be honest with you. Respect has to be there for each other, irrespective of any gender. And trust should be there, that if you are sharing some information or if you are telling something which is private or anything, that friend should not tell anybody. And if he or she is, if the other person is sharing something, you should always maintain that within you, that you should not tell, irrespective of anything happens, you should not tell. When that happens, you believe to have a good community, because you are involving more and more people. And then all of a sudden what happens is, when you are going out for some function, some party, something, some work, you tell, hey, me and my friends, I think my entire circle is going, we are planning the trip, why don't you join me? And